guy, but we're going to make ourselves a little grease catcher for the barbecue. Make it double the bottom. This one. The right hand cut is no good with the straight cut nor the left cut. I can do pretty much everything with the right hand cut. I always get rid of these sharp corners. Nope, I don't even know why I did that, because I'm going to be getting rid of 4 corners for my sides. That wasn't a smart play. Was not a smart play. Ooh, that WD-40 tastes good. Cut these up to make my bends for corners up so we can bend the 4 sides up, make a little tray. My truck to do for my bender. We'll use the S as a bender. It works just as well. Okay, then 2 smaller sides. There we go. On the other side. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the S to lengths. To double up the sides so nobody gets cut. Then I'm going to cut a bottom piece to double up the bottom, because the hot residue from the barbecue is going to go through that first layer in a couple of years. So we had 21 by 11, which cuts that down to 19 by 9. 19 by 9. So 9 here. Here. 19. Here. 19 here. Guidelines. Slicer this up. Cut this piece first. Get rid of it right away in the refrigeration bin. Too small for me to do Then we cut the corners off. Use an eye. Open up the finger. Pretty good with that. So this is going to fit right in my base. Now we're going to cut the S's to length. I will hold it in place at the same time. And we'll give it some rigidity. And some safety. Smaller pieces. Triple-sided, hard to cut. There we go. One more little fella. And we got ourselves a homemade barbecue residue tray. I'm gonna get you grease. Hot shit that falls. Hey, what a double pan barbecue tray. Should last 3-4 years. Now where's my beer?